Did you know your iPhone 17 can start a timer automatically when you open an app or at a specific time? With the Shortcuts app, you can create both custom timers and fully automated timers in just a few steps. Let's start with creating a custom timer shortcut. First, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap the Search Actions field, then type Start Timer. Select Start Timer from the list. Under Start a Timer for, tap Duration, then set how long you want the timer to run. Choose seconds, minutes, or hours. If you want to rename the shortcut, tap the drop-down arrow at the top, tap Rename, enter your preferred name, then tap the check icon to save. Don't forget to run the timer to test if it's working as intended. To add it to your home screen, tap the drop-down arrow next to the shortcut name again, then select Add to Home Screen. Customize the shortcut color and icon, and then tap Done. Once added, you can simply tap the icon from the home screen to start your custom timer instantly. Now let's create an automated countdown timer that runs on its own when you open a certain app on your iPhone 17. To do this, open the Shortcuts app, then go to the Automation tab. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new automation. Choose a trigger like time of day, alarm, arrive, leave, or app. For this example, let's tap App so we can use the automated timer when running a specific app. Under the When section, tap Choose, then select the desired app. For this guide, let's choose Messenger. Once the app is selected, tap the check icon to confirm. Now select Is Opened so the timer starts when the app launches. Next, choose Run Immediately so it works without asking for confirmation. Turn on the switch next to Notify When Run, and then tap Next. In the next menu, tap Start Timer under Get Started, then set your preferred time duration in seconds, minutes, or hours. When everything is set, tap the check icon to save your automation. Your automatic timer will now run whenever the Messenger app is opened on your device. It's a handy reminder tool for your app usage. If you want even quicker access, you can assign any of these shortcuts to the Action button. To do that, open Settings, tap Action button, swipe to Shortcut, and then choose the Start Timer shortcut you created. You can edit or manage your timers anytime by going back to the Shortcuts app. And that's it. If this video helped you boost your productivity with custom timers, give it a like or check out more tips to get the most out of your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips.